conversation between two students. Then check the correct answers. Hi, Carl. Hey, you seem annoyed. What's up?
Oh, I'm just mad because it took me an hour and a half to get to school today.
Why?
All the construction on the subway lines. My regular train was delayed, so I had to take a different train. And then I got on the wrong one, and it's just so frustrating.
Yeah, I hate that.
I know they have to work on the subway lines. That's not the problem. The thing that bothers me is they don't tell you in advance. They just change the schedule and you're stuck. I mean, what if I had missed a test in one of my classes?
But you didn't.
No, but I missed an appointment with my advisor. Now I have to wait 2 weeks to see her, and my graduate school applications are due soon.
Bummer.
Yeah, I need her help with my personal essays. One of them is driving me crazy.
Just ask someone to switch appointments with you.
That's a good idea. I'll check the names on the list of appointments posted outside her door. Thanks.